Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Editor in macOS. Nano Editor is a command line text editor that comes pre-installed with Mac operating system. Nano Editor runs inside the terminal and primarily used to edit configuration file, shell script file or code file. Nano Editor very beginner friendly because all the shortcuts displayed in the bottom of the screen, so beginner can easily perform the action showing on the instruction. So let's dive in with an example scenario where I will show you how we can create a file with Nano Editor, edit the file with Nano Editor. I'm going to open my terminal and I'm currently in my home directory. Just to check where I am, I can run the pwd command once again and I see I'm in the home directory. So let's go to the document and create a file with Nano Editor. So to be able to do that, we can do cd command, cd document, and let's see what inside the document at this moment. I just running ls command so that I can see the content of this directory. So there is nothing in documents. I'm going to create a file with Nano Editor. The command is nano and the file name. I'm just putting the name also nano. Nano.txt. Enter. I'm in the nano.txt file. I can just put some random text inside it. Just hello world. And if I want to exit the Nano Editor, I can, according to the instruction, is Ctrl X from the Mac keyboard. The system is asking whether we want to save it. If yes, then we can just type Y. I'm typing Y and I'm pressing enter. I'm out of the text editor now. If I want to see the content of the file I just created, I can say cat nano.txt, enter. I see this is the text I just wrote inside the file. Now if I want to edit the file once again, I can edit with Nano Editor. I can reopen the file. Just I need to say nano and the file name again, nano.txt, enter, and I am editing the file with Nano Editor. Okay, and I'm coming out of the file once again with Ctrl X and then Y and then enter. Now if I do the cat command again with the file, I can see the content and I can see the edited text I just entered inside the file. So cat nano.txt and I see the text, I see the newly added text. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. If the video helped you, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for upcoming tech tips and troubleshooting tutorials. If you have any question or concern around that, please leave a comment below. I'll be very happy to help you on that. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.